Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I am about to make a cup of delicious toasted graham coffee.
I love using Starbucks K-Cups because for single serve coffee makers, it really gives you that lovely Starbucks flavor, robust flavor. And this in particular, the toasted graham, is super yummy. And I love that Starbucks flavors their coffee without artificial flavoring. That's always something that I'm looking for. And when I want a quick cup of coffee, nothing beats using my single serve coffee maker. And it's just super fun to be able to have a flavor like toasted graham. I find this one to not be too overpowering. It's a nice, subtle, warm, toasty flavor. I love to put a little bit of soy milk in it, and I think that it tastes absolutely delicious. So, this is one of my favorite flavors to use in my single serve coffee maker. I really love it, and I just really love Starbucks coffee. So, it's a win win for me.
I love this flavor and I love how easy it is for me to brew a cup with this K cup in my single serve coffee maker. It's yummy, it's fun, and it's that amazing Starbucks quality every time. That's just my point of view.